first part of Britches Full of Stitches learnt off well, and we'll get moving with the second part of Britches Full of Stitches. So I'll just play the second part for you just to hear. Okay, so our first bar is, so we have a high D, a high E, a high D, and a B. So again. Okay, let's try that together. Our second bar of the second part is, okay, so we have an A, a G, an A, and a B. So again. Okay, so our first two bars sound like, moving on to our third bar. It's the same as the first bar, so it's, okay, and again together. Then our fourth bar of the second part is, we have A, G, and a long E. So again. Okay, let's try the first four bars of the second part. Super. So moving on then to the second line of the second part. First bar sounds like, so very same as the first bar of the first line. So D, high E, D, and B. Second bar then sounds like, so A, G, A, B. So again, that sounds like, okay, so the first two bars of the second line sound, okay, and our third bar then of the second line, okay, so again that sounds like, so it's very similar to the bars in the first part that we've already visited. And then the last bar of the tune is, okay, so the whole second line of the second part sounds like, okay. So let's try the whole second part now. So 1, 2. Okay, super. So that's the second part of Britches Full of Stitches. So if you work on that, in our previous lesson, there is a full recording of the whole tune. So if you want to revisit that, and you can play the whole tune with that recording. And then that's the end of this course, and I hope that you've enjoyed it and that it has been beneficial and that you've learned the very basics of the concertina. We have our first tune learnt. So when you feel comfortable and feel confident that you have the basics, please move on to the next beginner course, and I'll see you there. Thanks very much.